Hi, my name is Brian. Welcome to this journey through political campaigns and advocacy careers. Today we are going to study the chapter which is Roles in Political Campaigns. In this chapter, we'll explore the different roles that make up a modern political campaign, how they work together, and how skills, especially from economics, are applied in these roles. The organizational structure of political campaigns. Campaigns are structured for efficiency, with the candidate and campaign manager at the top, supported by directors of communications, field operations, fundraising, and data. Like a business, each department has specialized goals but must align to a shared strategy. Understanding this structure helps you find where your skills, like research, writing, or event management, can be best applied. Campaign strategist, the master planner. The strategist decides how to position the candidate, which voters to target, and how to spend resources. They adjust plans based on polling data and opponent actions. For economics students, skills like resource allocation, market segmentation, and even game theory are directly useful. It's a high-responsibility role that can lead to top advisory positions. Communications manager, crafting the message. This role focuses on making sure the campaign's message is consistent and appealing. Communications managers interact with the media, respond to news events, and prepare press materials. They must translate complex economic issues, like taxation or unemployment, into clear, relatable language. It's a fast-paced job that requires both creativity and accuracy. Political data analyst, the numbers specialist. Data analysts use polling and voter data to predict behavior and guide resource allocation. They run statistical models, A/B tests, and turnout predictions. Economic skills in econometrics and regression analysis are especially valuable here. Modern campaigns rely heavily on these insights for decision-making. Volunteer coordinator, mobilizing support. Coordinators recruit, train, and keep volunteers engaged. They use concepts like opportunity cost and social capital to motivate unpaid contributors. Managing these human resources effectively can be the difference between a strong or weak campaign presence on the ground. Field organizer. Boots-on-the-ground organizers handle direct voter contact through door-knocking, phone banks, and community events. They collect valuable data that feeds into the campaign strategy. It's often an entry-level position, but teaches leadership, communication, and grassroots mobilization, skills valuable beyond politics. Opposition research analyst, competitive intelligence. These analysts dig into an opponent's voting record, public statements, and business history to find weaknesses. Economics students can apply their policy analysis and financial skills here, especially when evaluating fiscal records or economic proposals. Political consultant, the campaign architect. Consultants bring specialized expertise in strategy, fundraising, advertising, or polling. They often advise multiple campaigns and can command high fees. Economic consultants in politics focus on shaping economic policy proposals and understanding how they'll resonate with voters. Social media manager, digital campaigning. Social media is now a key battleground. Managers create content tailored to each platform, track engagement data, and target specific voter groups. They must simplify complex economic messages into quick, impactful posts. Event manager, staging the campaign event. Managers organize rallies, fundraisers, and press events. They balance creating memorable experiences with cost control, applying negotiation and cost-benefit analysis skills. Political speechwriter, words that win. Speechwriters craft persuasive, memorable speeches that define a candidate's image. They must explain policies clearly, especially economic ones, while connecting emotionally with audiences. Career pathways in political campaigns. Starting as a field organizer can lead to roles like campaign manager or political consultant. Campaign work builds networks, teaches transferable skills, and opens doors to government or advocacy work. For economics students, it's a unique way to combine analytical ability with real-world impact.